Welcome back to CarScope, where we dive deep into the cars that get enthusiasts talking. And today we're looking at one of the most exciting names to make a rumored return. The new 2026 Mazda RX-8. This is a car that carries serious heritage. And if Mazda brings it back as expected, it could be one of the boldest moves in the modern sports car world. The RX-8 has always been about balance, innovation, and driver connection. And the 2026 version aims to respect that legacy while stepping confidently into the future from the outside. The 2026 RX-8 is expected to blend classic, rotary-era styling with Mazda's latest Kodo design language. Think sleek, flowing body lines, an aggressive low stance, and sharp LED lighting that gives the car a futuristic but unmistakably Mazda look. Wide fenders and a sculpted hood hint that this is not just a nostalgic revival, but a serious performance machine. The iconic freestyle rear doors, which made the original RX-8 so unique, could also return in a more refined and practical form. Under the hood is where things get really interesting. Mazda has never abandoned its love for rotary technology, and the 2026 RX-8 is widely expected to feature a next-generation rotary engine, possibly paired with an electrified system. This setup could deliver strong performance while addressing past concerns like fuel efficiency and emissions. Smooth, high-revving power, quick throttle response, and that unmistakable rotary character could once again define the driving experience. With improved engineering, the RX-8 may finally combine excitement with everyday USABILITY. Inside, the cabin is expected to feel modern, sporty, and driver-focused. A digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment display, and high-quality materials should bring the RX-8 up to premium standards. Mazda's philosophy of putting the driver first will likely be evident in the seating position, steering wheel feel, and intuitive controls. Despite being a sports car, it should still offer enough comfort and technology for daily driving on the road. The 2026 Mazda RX-8 is expected to shine with near-perfect weight distribution, sharp handling, and precise steering. This is the kind of car designed to make every corner enjoyable, whether you're on a winding mountain road or a track day. Mazda's focus on lightweight construction and chassis tuning could make this one of the most engaging sports cars in its class. If Mazda delivers on the promise. The 2026 RX-8 won't just be a comeback, it'll be a statement. A statement that driving passion still matters in an increasingly digital and electric world. For rotary fans and new enthusiasts alike, this could be the return we've all been waiting for. Stay tuned to CarScope for more updates, reviews, and deep dives into the cars that shape the future of driving.